Welcome to Training Session 3, Finances. This session will help you to understand the steps, processes, and guidelines of managing your troop's Girl Scout bank account and helping girls manage their group's finance and review policies and procedures when collaborating with sponsors and causes, helping girls decide what they want to do, and coaching them as they earn and manage money to pursue their goals is an integral part of the Girl Scout leadership experience. Your Girl Scout group plans and finances its own activities with your guidance. At the same time, the girls learn many valuable skills that serve them throughout their lives. Volunteer Essentials, located on our web, also has detailed information you can refer back to as well. This video has an open book test at the end, so you may pause and take notes as needed. Let's get started! A Girl Scout bank account must be open for each troop group that will be accepting funds, spending funds, and participating in the cookie and fall product sale programs. Select a bank branch location where you wish to open a free checking account. Get the name, email address, and branch location fax number of a banker at the branch location. 2 unrelated and not living together signers are required to be on the account. The troop signers must be approved volunteers with a current membership and background checks on file. At least one signer should complete all new leader training videos or face-to-face, but highly encourage for both signers to complete the videos. Complete the troop bank account request form. Bring in, email, or fax to Terry Blevins at 361-579-0988. The Director of Volunteer Services, Terry Blevins, will contact the bank and set up the account. Normal processing time to set up the account is about 2 weeks. Please do not go directly to the bank on your own and set up an account. Volunteer Services will notify you by email when your account is opened. Most financial institutions require all signers present during the signing process, so be sure to schedule a time when both signers are available, unless the bank does allow signers to go in separately. You will need your driver's license and Social Security card. Once paperwork is completed, the troop bank account is open, and money from product sales has come in. It's time to decide how the girls want to spend their funds. Remember, Girl Scout funds are girl-earned and girl-spent. How the funds are used needs to be a decision made by the entire troop, not just the leaders, parents, or a few select girls within the troop. Funds can be used to purchase badges and patches, journey and guidebooks, uniforms components, pay for celebrations and ceremonies, field trips, service projects, and more. Let the girls decide and come up with ideas, and then let the troop vote. Please note, all money is troop money and not tracked by individual girl. Every troop leader is responsible for accounting for all troop funds to girls, parents, and council. To keep reporting easy, make sure to retain all receipts and bank statements in an organized fashion. Because troop funds are owned collectively by the girls, proper handling of the funds is imperative. It is required that troop banking information be reported in March and September using the semi-annual troop financial report form. Submit this form and bank statements directly to council. Failure to submit this form will result in your troop bank account being closed. You may locate this form on our website at www.gsgst.org under the Forms tab. Anytime a leadership change takes place, the signers on the account need to change. Please inform Volunteer Services if you need to make changes to your bank account or change signers, and they will assist you with this. We understand issues may arise and encourage all troop participants to attempt resolving issues before requesting a transfer from one troop to another, because again, funds will not follow the girl to her new troop. If a girl is removed from her current troop, a letter of explanation stating why she's being removed must be submitted to the membership executive. Troop proceeds will only then be divided by the current number of girls in the troop at the time of removal. Once the proceeds have been divided by the council, a check from the troop account will be issued to the new troop in the amount the girl is due. The disbanding of a troop simply means the troop is dissolving. Troop bank accounts are comprised of troop dues, proceeds from the annual Girl Scout cookie and fall product programs, and troop money earning activities. Most troops collect dues at each meeting from each member. The amount of dues is established at the beginning of the year by the girls in consultation with their leaders and should be acceptable to the parents. Typically, these funds are used for troop supplies, projects, activities, recognitions, and other items as decided upon by the troop. One of your opportunities as a volunteer is to facilitate girl-led financial planning, which may include the following steps for the girls. Set goals for money-earning activities. What do girls hope to accomplish through this activity? In addition to earning money, what skills do they hope to build? Please ensure they are age appropriate by checking volunteer essentials and safety checkpoints. Create a budget. Use a budget worksheet that includes both expenses and available income for any activity, trip, etc. Determine how much the group needs to earn. Subtract expenses from available income to determine how much money your group needs to earn. Make a plan. The group can brainstorm and make decisions about its financial gains. Will cookie and other product sales earn enough money to meet the group's goals? If not, which other money-earning activities might offset the difference in anticipated expenses and anticipated income? Write it out. Once the group has decided on its financial plan, describe it in writing. If the plan involves a group money-earning activity, fill out an application for approval from council. The next slide provides more information. Troops can earn money for their troop in the following two ways: council-sponsored product sale programs and troop money-earning projects. The council sponsors 2 product sale programs each year. The Fall Product Sale Program takes place in the fall and is a great way for a troop to earn early startup funds for the new Girl Scout year. Girls sell nuts, candies, and magazines. The Cookie Sale Program is the nation's largest girl-led business and leading financial program for girls. Troop money-earning projects are activities organized by the troop and planned and carried about by the girls in partnership with adults. In order for Girl Scout troops to be eligible to participate in additional money-earning activities, they must participate in the Fall and Cookie programs and receive approval for the fundraiser from Council. Additional fundraisers will not be approved during the Council's United Way blackout dates, which are August 15th through November 15th. All girl members, including daisies, are eligible to participate in Council-sponsored product sale programs with parent permission. Always consult your volunteer essentials for age-level appropriate money-earning activities. When collaborating with sponsors and other organizations, troops should not go out and ask for money. If someone wishes to sponsor your troop by purchasing books or uniforms, contact your membership executive or volunteer services for proper procedures. If there is a monetary sponsorship, it must be routed through the council for tax-deductible purposes. Council will receive and then issue a check to troop. See the sponsorship form. When collaborating with other organizations, keep these guidelines in mind, and please refer to the Blue Book of Basic Documents below. Avoid fundraising for other organizations. Girl Scout troops are not allowed to solicit money on behalf of another organization. Your troop can, however, support another organization through a Take Action project or make a donation with troop proceeds. For example, Girl can walk, register participants, pass out water or flyers, but may not ask for financial donations. They ask families and friends to support them in a walk to fight cancer. Troop may decide to give the money to Relay for Life as their choice of an organization that fights cancer. It is not okay if Girl says, "My Girl Scout troop is raising money to support Relay for Life." Steer clear of political fundraisers. When in official Girl Scout capacity or in any way identifying yourselves as Girl Scouts, your group may not participate directly or indirectly in any political campaign or work on behalf of or in opposition to a candidate for public office. Being respectful when collaborating with religious organizations. Girl Scout groups must respect the opinions and practices of religious partners, but no girl should be required to take part in any religious observance or practice of the sponsoring group. Avoid selling or endorsing commercial products. Girls are not allowed to invite people to a business to buy the business products and receive a portion of the sales. However, they are allowed to set up a booth at a business to sell something different than what the business sells. For example, it is okay for girls selling flower pots they decorated themselves at a plant nursery, but it's not okay for girls to advertise that they are selling pots at a nursery and that people should buy plants from the nursery. Thank you for taking time to complete Session 3 Finance Training. For additional information, please review the Managing Group Finances chapter in Volunteer Essentials. A list of forms and resources referenced in the video can be found below. Be sure to complete the Finance Training quiz to receive credit for completing Video 3 of New Leader Training.